Yeah. My fellow citizens, Banbasa, South Africa. What a disgraceful people we have allowed ourselves to become. Such a proud people we used to be. Such an honest people we used to be. Such a great people we used to be. We're a mere shadow of ourselves. In moshi ingqondo zenu ya ihlikiniza imiphefumulo yenu yahluthula nobuntu benu. This is so sad. This is so sad what we're doing, what we are allowing poverty and what we are allowing the corruption of these bastards that have been running our country to turn us into. Such animals. Such animals. Nina ma-South Africans ovuma ukuthi umzabalazo wenu, your struggle, or however you want to describe it, leadwa yi-Lay Queen, from Operation Dudula to this March and March shit. Nilida yi-Lay Queen. People who probably spend more time taking care of their nails and their hair than reading a motherfucking book, than doing any research on the subjects that they claim to be so concerned about. That's why Operation Dudula didn't know what a frontline state is. Yes, an ordinary person, maybe ordinary citizens, you wouldn't expect them to know what frontline states are. But umuntu, of which your whole agenda, your whole policy, you have no other policy, you have no other plan, you have no other move or measure to change or improve our country except for this point of foreigners. When we've seen billions being looted from our country by our own countrymen. We are such disgraceful people. It was not enough for you. People who died. It has made you such animals to this extent that you're turning children away from school. They must languish here until kusasa. You claim to care about children. You don't give a damn about children. Let me tell you something. This fucking thing is making noise. You don't give a damn about children. I'm really so vexed. Ngalabo Jacinta, whatever the fuck her name is. People who have more time and to spend more time at the salon than on the ground with actual people. Umzabalazo wenu leadwa yi-Lay Queen with so much hatred. You think the cause of your problems is just these mega foreigners ngamatamatinyana wabo namazambana wabo matafuleni, and then amanga on top of that. All you do is spread lies. And South Africans nanginyanyisa for being so gullible ukukholwa labantu labo. Number one, benikhuluma indaba zokuthi amaklinika empty. Amaklinika awakho empty. Benikhuluma indaba ukuthi ijozi lisangcolile, sekushaya umoya. Ijozi lisangcolile. There's no difference because we are not participants. We are not participating in transforming our own future. Because we're busy drinking. We are such terrible role models. All we have is blame. We have blame for Ama 2000. But who was going to guide them? Because we are busy drinking. We are busy being slaves, working for a pittance, working for people that hate us. You are so full of hate. You are so full of darkness in your hearts. Ninjani kanti manje bafethu? Why inhlupheko kumele niyenze kanje? Yazi at least noma besihluphekile before but ubuntu besinabo. Manje on top of ukuhlupheka kwenu anisana nanobuntu. That's why your families are more dysfunctional than ever. That's why your children are more unruly than ever. That's why your communities are more destroyed than ever, because you have no sense of community. You are selfish. You only think of yourselves. You believe all this propaganda, all the bullshit that you see on WhatsApp and TikTok. Inzondo yenu for abantu abafana nani. Antusi. Antusi. What animals? What animals? You know, when we grew up, and even after we finished school, the struggle for a placement has always been there. Foreigner, before foreigners became the hot topic, the struggle for placements, parents always used to struggle, and we've always seen parents that always did things late. Does she know ukuthi ba-apply nini nabazali labaya with certainty? Okay, even if they applied early, indaba zokuthi iy'kolo zigcwale, why isn't your government building more schools? Why isn't your government building more schools when they're spending, chowing, siphoning billions from you? You don't care about children. You don't care even about your own children, because these children whose education that you claim to be fighting for, tomorrow they'll be engineers, tomorrow there'll be all kinds of technicians, and they'll go out there in the job market looking for jobs, and you don't know the economies tomorrow. Maybe the economy in Zimbabwe will be the best economy in Africa. Maybe the economy in Malawi will be a better economy, and your children will not be able to even have opportunities to seek for jobs in those places, because you've created a place of you're creating so much hatred in our continent for our people. You don't see that nisenza ama-victim nina futhek man ngoba ubhene plus beni sifuna ukutravela thina, sifuna ukuhamba e-Africa thina, sifuna ukubona amanye amazwe thina, asifuna ukuhamba sihamba sinovalo ngenxa yenu. Fuck man, sihluphekile sibaningi. Inhlupheko ayiqali ngani futhi, and ayiqali ngathi futhi inhlupheko. Kodwa le nhlupheko lesazoqhubeka, and it's gonna get worse. Isazon round the ears, it's gonna get worse for your children. It's gonna get worse, way worse for your children. So much hatred. It's not enough unjikisile abantu ey'bhedlela, njikisa abantu ethembisa alone badla 2 billion. In the last 10 years kwadliwe 10 billion eGauteng alone, money that has been squandered. Why don't you go and take the fight to those people? You go for the low hanging fruit. Abantu abahluphekile njengani, abantu abazamelayo bathengisa amatamata amazambane. Yes, there are corrupt people who come from other African countries. What would make them so special and unique? Don't we have corrupt people here from our country? You're talking about foreigners selling drugs to our community. Motherfucker, ningazodlala ngathi sihlale emalokishini thina. Abantu abosneyman baselokishini abathengisa ama-drugs. Angikhuluma abosneyman bensango. Ngikhuluma ngabantu who sell crystal meth, abantu abathengisa indanda, abantu who sell cat, abantu abathengisa inyawube. It's our own motherfucking people. You work with them. Yazi nanyanyisa man. Nanyanyisa, you're full of shit. You're full of it. I'm fucking tired of you. I'm not a social media person, social media what. I've made a lot of this so-called content. I've never posted anything, but this time I'm posting for you motherfuckers. For you pretenders, you actors, pretending like you care about children. You care about children's future. You don't give a damn about children. You don't give a damn. When was the last time you actually did something positive for a child other than yours or your family? Elokshini. Sports is dead in our community. Who's willing to pick up ahamba yothenga amakhoni? You know, when we grew up, we used to have those kind of people in our lives. People that did things for the sake of the community without considering imali. We are not that generation now. That's why everything is going to shit, and blame Mama 2000. Why don't you try taking some blame? Your own self, your own goddamn self. Man ukubola man lokhu bantu basekhaya, man ukungcola man lokhu, ukungcola man lokhu, ukungcola komoya, ukungcola lokhu man. So much hatred. Isibindi singaka sokujikisa abantwana, izama ukujikisa abantwana ezikolweni ngoba baphuma kwelinye izwe. Abantwana amelanga bafunde. They have to languish emalokishini because of the choices of their parents. They didn't choose their parents to cross the borders. Oh man, ukhohlakala kunje man. That's why sohlale siyigqila. That's why amakula anibulalile Phoenix. That's why nohlale niyigqila. Because you don't stand for shit. Man, fuck man. Fuck man, this is madness man. You know you fucked up my appetite for the day. Jacinta, whatever the fuck your name is. These people, they have no consideration for you. They don't care about you. They're doing these things that they're doing, pandering for you for their own beneficiation. They don't care about you. They don't care about your children. And then now you don't care about children. Indaba yema placement ayiqali manje kufana nendaba yokuthi amaklinika ayagcwala. Amaklinika aqala ukugcwala amagcwala ama foreign anikela ukuba namanga man, ma South African man. Sikhule amaklinika agcwala. Ungazokhuluma amasemba. I went to public school my whole life. I've used public facilities for the longest time. Into zama medical aid, into zamanje. Ungazokhuluma amanga man. Full of shit, you evil fuckers. ngiyanitshela abantu basekhaya nitshelwa yimi manje anama-foreigner niyawanyela ama-foreigner they don't have what you say, they don't have the validity to speak to you ngoba banama-passport. Ngikhuluma nani manje? You can hate me all the fuck you want. Ngusaba Siyabulela wase-White City Jabavu, you can find me if you wanna find me. Msunyenu ngiyasho futhi msunyenu for inzondo yenu. I will defend children to my very last breath. All children, because all children are special. All children deserve love. All children.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangibodwa send message ebantwini base-South Africa ukuthi abantu base-South Africa bayekele kuhlukubeda ema-foreigners. Uthi just because you guys are poor nifuna kuthatha bapoor kwenu niblame abantu bokuqhamuka abantu bokuqhamuka bathatha tipesi etikoleni bathatha imisebenzi kuthatha tipesi etikoleni vele tiyinkinga akuqali manje ngoba la South Africa kunema-foreign. Uthi bona basafuna kutravela they still wanna go to other countries ngabi nenkinga yikilane kubamoshela. So uyasho nje ukuthi le nto yenu yokulwisa your African brothers and sisters iyabhetha iyekeleni. So ma-foreigners lamaningi they were flooding i-comment section yalo bhodi basho ukuthi hey you are a true man of God, hey may God bless you and your family, may God protect you and your family, because we know ukuthi ma-foreigners if you come for South Africans, ma-foreigners if you defend them or ayicabada ukuthanza angifuni ngasho abantu abaningi bebathi uyabhetha lo bhuti bala South Africa basho ukuthi uyadiva mara lokhu la kukhulumako. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Bye bye.